But really the impetus, the impetus for beginning to write this music down was because I knew that the Hasidic Rebbes had disallowed the use of writing down music. Why? They felt that once it was written down on paper, it could be part of public domain. It could be used in non-Jewish circles. And there was this fear that once you make something holy, in other words, you can take something from the outside that's profane, bring it in and make it holy, and that's called being Mekadesh, especially with a nigun. We're told, we know the famous story of Rabbi Isaac Taub, who was the Rebbe of Kalev, who used to go out dressed in shepherd's clothing, right, with a gabbai and a shamus, two sidekicks, and they used to go out into the fields of Transylvania in order to hear a melody which shepherds played, in order to capture it and to bring it in and use it in Jewish life, right? And so we know that the idea of bringing in a nigun was something which was very, very desirable. But to then take a nigun and give it out to the world, that was verboten.